Will you normally opt for a jury trial or waive a jury trial if you're actually going to trial?
Most of the time we want a jury. And there's several reasons for that. It's much more difficult, I think, for a judge to look at a breath or blood test result and find that it's not reliable, because they almost by habit become so accustomed to dealing with and accepting these results that it's very difficult for them to do that. And I think many judges in the back of their mind are thinking, if I do it on this case, am I going to have to do it in the next 10 cases? And they're a little bit concerned about that. And even the judges who believe or would be more open to the possibility that a breath or blood test was wrong are aware that the appeals court rulings in our state favor admission of the evidence, which means that the judge will have to consider it in making his or her determination. A jury does not have that sort of baggage, if you will. They have a lot of susceptibility to the anti-drunk driving message, but they don't have any real, they don't have any skin in the game, so to speak. They're not really concerned about so much what the verdict will mean for them and for their future. So I think a jury can in some ways be more objective. Now, on the other hand, if the facts of the case are particularly difficult, then you may want to have a judge decide it, because a jury, if they hear very emotional facts, if there was a death or an injury, they may, on that basis alone, be inclined to convict, where I think a judge is more accustomed to being able to separate those issues.
Patrick, it sounds like no matter how you look at it, it's a stacked deck against you. And we reached another break point. We will be right back with my guest, Patrick Barone, and defensive drunk driving cases.